Hello class, my name is Kishan Pala. In this session, we will discuss about types of cement. Let us start the types of cement. In our construction field, there are many types of the cements are available in our construction field. Let us discuss the types of this cement. First one is a ordinary Portland cement. Second one is a low heat cement, Portland pozzolana cement, Portland slag cement, quick setting cement, rapid hardening cement, high alumina cement, expansive cement, oil well cement, masonry cement, colored cement, and sulfate resisting cement. So we have different types of the cement available in our field. So let us discuss one by one. First type is ordinary Portland cement. This type of the cement can be used in the old type of the structure, and if we talk about the uses of this type of the cement is 70% among the old type of the cement in our country. There are three types of the grade available in ordinary Portland cement. You can see in the table 33 grade of the cement, 43 grade of the cement, 53 grade of the cement, and you can see the photo 53 grade of the cement mass. What is the grade of cement? 33 grade of the cement means you will get 33 Newton per mm square compressive strength at the end of the 28 days. If you have a 53 grade of the cement mass means you will get minimum 53 Newton per mm square at the end of the 28 days. So these are the three grades are available for the ordinary Portland cement. Nowadays, we are using 53 grade of the cement mass. Next type is low heat cement. Before the starting this type of the cement, I would like to remember one point. We have four major box compound of the cement mass: dicalcium silicate C2S, tricalcium silicate C3S, tricalcium aluminate C3A, and fourth one is a C4AF tetracalcium aluminoferrite. So these four major box compound of the cement mass. For producing this type of the cement, we have to modify this box compound, and we know that the C3S tricalcium silicate and C3A tricalcium aluminate are producing more heat of hydration, and dicalcium silicate C3A producing low heat of hydration. For producing low heat of hydration, we have to decrease C3S and C3A, means we have to decrease tricalcium silicate and tricalcium aluminate, and we have to increase dicalcium silicate C2S. By this modification, we can produce the low heat cement. You can see in the photo. And about strength of the low heat cement is the rate of the gain strength is slow, but the ultimate strength is the same as ordinary Portland cement. And there is a criteria given in the Indian standard for the heat of the hydration for the 7 days and 28 days. You can see in the table, as per the Indian standard specification, the heat of the hydration not more than 65 calorie per gram at the 7 days, and as per the Indian standard, the heat of the hydration there should not be more than 75 calorie per gram at the end of 28 days. Uses of low heat cement. You can use this type of the cement in the mass construction work, because this type of the cement is producing low heat of the hydration, and this type of the cement can be used where it is necessary to produce resistance to sulfate attack. because in this type of the cement you are decreasing the tricalcium silicate and tricalcium aluminate, so there will be increasing the resistivity against the sulfate. And in the third case, you can use the hot weather condition, because in the hot weather condition, there will be effect to the concrete mass, because the external atmosphere is also influenced to the heat of hydration. And in this type of the cement, there is a developing the low heat of hydration. So you can use this type of the cement in the hot weather concreting. Next type is air entraining cement. You can see in the photo, the air entraining cement is made by the mixing of the small amount of the air entraining agent with the ordinary Portland cement clinkers at the time of the grinding. It means this type of the cement we can produce by adding the air entraining agent in the ordinary Portland cement, and this cement is used to produce the lightweight concrete. Which are the air entraining agent we can use in this type of the cement? You can use bleaching powder, hydrogen peroxide and aluminum powder. So this type of the air entraining agent you can use for producing the air entraining type of cement. Next type is Portland Pozzolana cement. This type of the cement can be made by adding the 15 to 35 percentage of the pozzolanic material with ordinary Portland cement clinkers, and these pozzolanic materials are silicaceous or aluminous. Addition of the pozzolanic material does not contribute the early strength of the cement, but later strength is same as the ordinary Portland cement. Which are the pozzolanic material like fly ash or calcinite clay? So you can use this pozzolanic material for manufacturing of this type of the cement mass. Advantages of the pozzolana cement. First one, it is economical because you are using the 15 to 35 percentage of pozzolanic material. Second one is it is a durable and permeability of the concrete are improved. With using of the pozzolana, you can increase the durability and the permeability of the concrete mass. Third advantage, it's generate the low heat of the hydration due to the usage of the pozzolana material. So you can use this type of the cement in the mass construction work. Fourth one is it gives more volume compared to the ordinary Portland cement. So if you are taking a particular volume, Portland pozzolana cement consumption will be less compared to the ordinary Portland cement. It means this will become the economical. If we talk about the uses of pozzolana cement, first one is for the hydraulic structure. Second, you can use PPC in marine structure. Third one is you can use for the mass construction work like dam, bridge, piers and the raft foundation, because this type of the cement is producing low heat of the hydration due to the usage of the pozzolanic material. And fourth one is you can also use sewers and the sewage disposal works. Next type is Portland slag cement. This type of the cement is made by intergrinding Portland cement clinkers, gypsum and granulated blast furnace slag. And this type of the cement should not be used cold weather, as the low heat of the hydration completed with the moderately low rate of the strength developed can lead to the frost damage. And this type of the cement has low heat of the hydration and better resistance to the chlorides, sulfates and alkalis, etc. Uses of the Portland slag cement are mass construction work. Next is for the marine works. If we talk about the advantages of the Portland slag cement, first one is it produces the low heat of hydration. Second one is better resistance to the chlorides, sulfates and alkalis. Next type is quick setting cement. This cement sets very early but does not gain strength early. Now you can understand that the hardening of the cement and setting time of the cement. It sets fast but does not get strength fastly. And you can manufacture this type of the cement with decreasing of the gypsum content. We already discussed this point in the manufacture of the cement mass. Gypsum is adding to preventing the flash set of the cement mass. And for the manufacturing of the quick setting cement, you have to decrease the content of the gypsum. And then you can also manufacture this type of the cement with increasing the accelerators like aluminate sulfate. And this type of the cement contains high percentage of the tricalcium aluminate, and you know that the tricalcium aluminate react first with the water mass, and this type of the cement is required to be mixed placed and completed very early. So quick setting cement can be produced by decreasing the content of the gypsum and increasing the accelerators like aluminum sulfate. Recommended under the situation of the quick setting cement. First one is underwater construction, because this type of the cement sets early, so underwater construction can be used this type of the cement mass. Second one is a grouting operation. When you are doing the grouting, there will be required the quick set of the cement mass. In that case, you can use this type of the cement mass. Next type is rapid hardening cement, RHC. This type of the cement develops the strength rapidly, and therefore it also known as a high early strength cement. The strength of the rapid hardening cement at the edge of the 3 days is equal to the 7 days strength of the ordinary Portland cement with the same water cement ratio. Now you can understand that if you are getting the 10 Newton per mm square of the ordinary Portland cement at the edge of the 7 days, this strength will be achieved by 3 days with the help of the rapid hardening Portland cement. And the increased rate of the gain, the strength of the rapid hardening cement is achieved by the higher tricalcium silicates. You know that tricalcium silicates is responsible for the first 7 days strength of the cement mass, and this is the responsible for the early strength of cement mass, and it should not be used in the mass construction work, because this type of the cement is producing the high heat of the hydration, and due to that you cannot use the rapid hardening cement in the mass construction work. Rapid hardening cement is recommended in the following situation. First one is for the road repair works. Second one is in the prefabricated construction work. Third one is where the formwork is required to be removed early. And fourth one is in the cold weather concreting. So these are the recommended area by the rapid hardening cement. Next step is extra rapid hardening cement. This cement is obtained by the modification of the rapid hardening cement by intergrinding calcium chloride with the rapid hardening cement, and the quantity of the calcium chloride should not exceed the 2% of the cement mass, and it is necessary the concrete made by the using rapid hardening cement should be transported, placed, compacted and finished within the 20 minutes. If you are taking the normal concrete like ordinary Portland cement, the initial setting time of the cement is 30 minutes. Means you can mix of the concrete, transporting of the concrete, placing of the concrete and finishing of the concrete up to the 30 minutes. But in this case, you have to complete this procedure within the 20 minutes. A large quantity of heat is evolved in the very short after the placing. It means this type of the cement is developing the high heat of the hydration and suitable for the cold weather concreting. It is also suitable where high early strength is required. Next type is sulfate resisting cement. Sulfate resisting cement is very similar to ordinary Portland cement, except that the quantity of the tricalcium aluminate is strictly limited about the 5%. Just you have to modify the box compound of the C3A tricalcium aluminate in this type of the cement. The low tricalcium silicate content and comparatively low tetracalcium aluminum ferrite content in the sulfate resisting cement gives it the high strength, but early strength is low, but later strength similar to the ordinary Portland cement. This cement is recommended for in marine condition. Second one, in the construction of the chemical factory. Third one, in the construction of sewage treatment plant. Next type is a colored cement. You can make the color cement with adding of the different type of the pigments in the normal type of the cement. You can see in the photo the white Portland cement shown in the picture. Generally, the cement has the greenish grey color of ordinary Portland cement, presence of the iron oxide. You have to modify the proportion of the iron oxide for colored cement. The process of the manufacturing of the white cement is the same as the Portland cement, but the amount of the iron oxide is limited less than 1%. Just you have to modify the proportion of the iron oxide decreasing below the 1%. The required raw material is only available near the Jodhpur in the Rajasthan in our country, and white cement is used to fill the tiles, bathrooms and kitchen etc. And you know that the famous brand of the white cement, Birla white cement, JK white cement. Next type is high alumina cement. You can see in the photo. It is also known as the aluminous cement or the aluminate cement. High alumina cement is slow setting but rapid hardening cement, and it has good resistance to attack of the gypsum, bearing water and the chemical attack. Now you can understand that this type of the cement has slow setting time, means this cement sets slowly, but hardening of this cement is fast. So this type of the cement sets slowly but gain the strength is fast. Thank you. is good resistance to the acidic water.